and welcome to my channel. My name is Charmaine Marie and I make videos here on YouTube all about fashion, beauty, and design. I'm so excited to bring you this thrift flip video today. I thrifted this blazer from a Goodwill and I was just so in love with the canary yellow color, the big shoulders, like 80s padded blazer shoulders, and this really interesting collar with a really pretty silver button. I really feel like this blazer has so much potential to be a really cool, unique statement piece. So I'm going to put a screenshot here of the inspiration that I have to thrift flip this blazer. I got it from Pinterest and I love the like rosettes on the sides of both sleeves. I feel like that's going to look so amazing. First things first, to start off this thrift flip, I knew that I wanted to remove the big white collar. I was not a huge fan of it. I ended up cutting the entire collar off of the blazer, and then the rhinestone button that was on the collar, I ended up just restitching it in a different place on the collar. The fabric flowers were not working, not what I was going for. I just found these fake flowers that I use as like home decor, and I was like, oh, what if I pull these apart and then make little flowers out of them? I think it's gonna work. So I was able to make one. It looks like this. I gotta glue it, but my first attempt with the fabric flowers was not working. I think that the fake flowers ended up turning out way better. I was super happy with it. And here is my finished thrift flip. I feel like this is such a cool statement piece now. I love all the flowers on the blazer.